Right now, Bitcoin is getting ready for another amazing move today, so make sure to watch this video till the end because I will be exactly discuss my price targets, my criteria for this breakout and much more. So don't forget to watch today's update video because we will be discussing the most interesting, the most important charts here in crypto. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we smash it above 400 likes on today's update video? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And first, initially, I want to be looking at our horizontal support levels. And we can currently see that while Bitcoin, of course, has been breaking above this very important previous high, this green line right here, we have been trading above it. We've been flipping it into support, some touches right here, but now we are trading below it and we got rejected. So in terms of horizontal support and resistance, we are losing some important levels of, important support basically in the market. However, at the same time, we can see an upper sloping support line is getting formed right here together with a downward sloping resistance line. And clearly on this chart right here, you can see it. The price action for Bitcoin is right now squeezing the price action in towards an apex again. We're still forming higher lows. That is the most important part. We are forming higher lows, so we are clearly trading in an uptrend right now on the 1 hour time frame. But at the same time, on the immediate short term, so on the lower time frames, we can see a small downtrend getting started. So the price action is getting squeezed in towards an apex right now. And whenever we do break above either the previous range low in the market, so this box right here, if we break below that, we're probably going to go lower. And if we do break above the previous high in the market, we're probably going to go higher. So currently, I'm going to be looking at these two boxes. If we do break on the top side, we're going to be looking bullish. If we do break on the bearish side, we're going to be looking for lower targets. So that is the thing to look out for right now here. Bitcoin is consolidating. It's getting ready for another move in the coming hours ahead of ourselves. So make sure to keep your eyes wide open. The apex for the symmetrical triangle is going to be getting reached in approximately 7 to 8 hours. So I am also expecting that today the volatility is also going to turn up within 7 to 8 hours of now on. Furthermore, if I do look at the price action of Bitcoin on that 1 hour time frame, we can currently see that we're trading on a very important level of support. I've been talking about this level ever since we've been trading on 15K, ever since we've been breaking below it, but you can clearly see this is of course the most important level of resistance / support. And since we clearly broke above it, we're currently having a bullish retest. So a bounce from here on, I wouldn't be surprised to actually see it. And I've said that several times before. As long as Bitcoin is trading in this top side of the range, we are expecting the consolidation to happen between 16.8K towards $18,000, right? If we're trading below it, this is the consolidation range. But currently, we can clearly see we broke above it, and we're currently having a bullish retest of this level. So if we do get a bounce, it is of course most certainly from this important level right here. And I mean, from a macro perspective, of course, we had the FTX collapse, but on a macro perspective, things are looking very good. We do know the dollar index is breaking bearish. It looks clearly like it is currently topping out. And that is, of course, also a very bullish historical signal that currently is flashing on the price action of Bitcoin. Also, if I do look at the Bitcoin shorting positions, we can see that they're starting to capitulate a little bit here. But always once the Bitcoin shorts tend to capitulate, and also once they're standing high in general. And like you can see, currently, the Bitcoin shorts are standing at a high not seen since approximately 494 days. So the last time we've been having so much shorts in the markets was 500 days ago. And yeah, you know what happened last time around. That was the big market bottom. So you can see clearly once the shorts capitulated, that was the point where the market started to be reversing. So if we right now have that capitulation from the shorts, we tend to see, of course, the market bounce back towards the upside. So that is what we're waiting for. Maybe they're going to even enter more shorts, but we can clearly see that the shorts are pretty high in the market right now. So I am expecting that actually the shorts will be topping out anytime soon here. And once they top out, it could be indicating the exact bottom for Bitcoin. So keep your eyes wide open on this one. This is actually a very interesting chart to keep your attention towards. But furthermore, if I do look at that 4 hourly time frame for Bitcoin, we can currently see we clearly saw a small little bounce right here. And you can see currently that we are forming a higher high together with higher lows. And I think on the 4 hourly time frame where we should be looking at is this potential uptrend we're creating right here. If we do have a retracement back towards this uptrend, we are going to be clearly monitor it and potentially open a trading position on. I mean, if Bitcoin moves down to 16.5K, we are still in an uptrend technically speaking. So yeah, there is definitely more downside that can come, and still it doesn't necessarily have to mean Bitcoin is going to be looking bearish. We could even trade in an parallel channel here towards the upside. But clearly what's the most important part that we have seen here is that Bitcoin broke above this previous high right here, and that we are currently having a retest of this exact high. So Will we be bouncing from it? That's going to be the question, but this could very well mean a very good trading opportunity. And talking about trades, if I'm currently going to be looking at the funding rates, we can clearly see funding rates are still negative. Of course, yesterday I've been talking about this as well, but once the funding rates are negative, it means that the majority of the traders are in shorting positions, but historically means that it is a good time to be accumulating Bitcoin at. So we can see it across all exchanges. The majority of Bitcoins is getting shorted, and yeah, always once the majority of people are doing one thing, usually it heads towards the other side. So if a short squeeze comes, Bitcoin can move up very quickly towards the upside again. So won't be surprised if we do see a very strong bounce in the coming weeks ahead of ourselves right now. However, if you are interested in trading, don't forget to check out Bybit here in the link in the description. They are currently offering you a $30,050 deposit bonus if you do sign up using the link in the description. And if you sign up an account on BitGet using the link in the description, you will be able to get access towards my VIP Signal trading group. And you can, first of all, join the VIP Signal group in the link in the description. It's a Discord group, and if you join the Discord group, you have to fill in your BitGet UID. And if you sign up an account and deposit some funds into your account, you will gain access towards our legendary VIP Signal group, where we share up to 5 signals a day, where we basically also help to educate you. And this is all done by professional traders, and sometimes I'm sharing my own trades over there as well if I'm taking one. So make sure to join it right now here. Also, if you deposit $20,000, you will get 720 USD instantly. So make sure to check it out. There are a lot of insane deposit bonuses that are currently getting offered, and make sure to benefit from it, because we are right now in a bear market, and the thing you want to do in a bear market is benefit from the deposit bonuses that these exchanges are giving you. And on top of that, we're also going to do a giveaway every single day in the Discord group. So don't forget to join our Discord right now in the link in the description. Furthermore, looking at Bitcoin, if I'm going to look at the weekly time frame, we can currently see that Bitcoin is creating a perfect downward sloping support line. We can see clearly not only one, not only two, not only 3 times, no, we touched it 4 times, and yeah, basically every time we've touched it so far, we've been seeing a very strong bounce from this level. And this is definitely a trend line that we should be looking at right now in the market. Of course, I've been talking about this potential falling wedge pattern. This one is still bigger than we think here, and it could last way longer than we think as well here. But yeah, if we want to be testing the top side of the falling wedge pattern, it's somewhere around 20.7K. But this is definitely a legendary or a bigger consolidation phase that's currently getting created on Bitcoin, and this could lead towards massive volatility in general. But yeah, this is definitely a support line to look at, and once again, we're bouncing from it. And also a support line we're bouncing from is, of course, the legendary trend line. We can see the legendary trend line. We've touched it approximately 5 times already. It's been supporting us for over 6 years, and once again, we touched it, and we're bouncing from it right now here. So yeah, if I'm zooming in, I've been talking about the legendary support line quite a lot of times already. You can see clearly we had 4 touches, and now we're bouncing back towards the upside. I mean, historically speaking, we don't really stay a long time around this legendary support line, right? So let's see if we are going to be having a strong bounce yet again. But it looks like that so far the level is holding, and that is, of course, a very bullish development in the market in general. So these were the things that were very important to talk about. Keep your eyes wide open on this 1 hour symmetrical triangle. It is a continuation pattern, so the likelihood of this one is breaking towards the upside. We do know we're currently trading at a very important level. So that is it for today's update video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the bell notification if you want to stay up to date on these videos. And if I jump live on the channel because we are having a breakout, because yes, if the breakout is going to happen over day and it will be available, I will jump live straight away with you guys on the channel to discuss the breakout, to discuss my trades and much more. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now, smash up that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, goodbye.